Elon Musk wants to take X and turn it into a personal finance management app. But it doesn't stop there, because what's really at play is that X is planning on becoming the American version of the Chinese super app WeChat. To give a little bit of context about WeChat, it's an app developed by Tencent, think League of Legends or Fortnite, and it has social media, mobile payment capabilities, and instant messenger. If you've been following or use X, video and audio calls are already being rolled out on the app. So they're like kind of on their way to becoming WeChat already. Okay, but going back to the finance stuff, Elon Musk told employees in an October 26th call that the plan is to roll out the financial features in 2024. To further quote Elon Musk, "When I say payments, I mean someone's entire financial life. If it involves money, it'll be on our platform. Money or securities or whatever. So it's not just like send $20, my friend. I'm talking about like you won't need a bank account. And you don't even need to hold your breath on this. It's already happening. Because X has received licenses to offer banking and money transferring in 9 states already. So if you work in the real estate or mortgage or housing industry, do I really need to spell out the implications of the Bank of X? If consumer adoption rate in the US is massive, X mortgages perhaps.